Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101 Food Facts. Today we feature peanuts. The peanut plant is native to the Western Hemisphere, particularly South America. Surprisingly, peanuts are not actually in the nut family. They are classified as legumes along with foods like green peas and soybeans. They make a delicious porridge, and if sweetened with milk or combined with other proteins, will be a complete meal. It makes delicious peanut butter which can be used as a spread or as an ingredient in drink blends. It is a good source of protein and vitamin E. While not all persons can enjoy peanuts due to allergies, it is still an excellent legume due to its benefits. Thank you for watching Jamaican Cooking 101 Food Facts.